अभी एक आदमी का हो गया तो दूसरे आदमी का हो गया, तीसरे आदमी का हो गया। सपोजिंग तुम कहीं कर दे, you say that you will come back to him, you say that you will revert back to him, and then when you go back, try to learn that. ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कह के आगे कि सब जान छूटी, उधर जान छूटी।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here at the 8th annual function Real Estate Awards of Accommodation Times. We are with the veteran Shri Murari Chaturvedi. Sir, and I'm going to ask him a few questions about the awards and the real estate. Murari sir, this is the 28th National Real Estate Award of Accommodation Times. I want to know how has been the journey so far?
The journey of the award or journey of the publication?
Journey of the publication.
Journey of the publication is that first I started this in 1972 at very limited means, and naturally after 6 months I had to close down. I was printing, publishing. At that time there was no computer. So we used to get the printouts, and then I used to cut and paste on the paper, make the page, take the page to the press, and arrange for the paper, and it was one-man army, everything. And when the paper was printed, I took the sheaf of the paper and standing in Churchgate station. Believe me, within no time the paper was finished. So I was confident that this is the subject which everyone wants to know. And even you are not having a flat or you are having a flat, you still want to know. You are having a flat, you want to go to a better flat. You are not having a flat, you want to go to some accommodation. So this is going on, and that is how then it was closed down, and I was quite desperate that should start. Many things I have done, printing, canvassing, and sometimes I have served in picture publishing company there also. But then all the time, it was the paper shoot. Then in 76, I joined Bharati Vidya Bhavan and did my journalism. Same time when we do the journalism course, after passing the journalism course, you have to compulsorily go to a publication to have some experience. Now, for publication, they say, Bharat Times चले जाओ, Times of India चले जाओ, Free Press Journal was very famous that time. Free Press में चले जाओ, and most of my friends they go to Free Press and Indian Express. I chose Economic Times because I wanted a specific knowledge of a specific field, not the knowledge, scattered knowledge of all over. Perhaps I am not better, perhaps I was not equipped for this. Sorry, but I selected Economic Times, and I was there. There, what I was given the duty to go to that company meeting, and I go to company's annual general body meeting, and they used to hand out the balance sheet and this and that is all. I said to Mr. Rao, my senior, sir, this was the peon can do. You want me, the journalist, you want to waste there. What do you want? sir, I want to write about real estate. At that time, real estate name was a taboo. What real estate? Believe me, that time I decided I will leave this company. So let me be very frank with Mr. Rao and tell him what I want. I said that, well, you want the project over the company report of the ACC. You want of electric company. You want this of other building material. No, they all are complementary to the constructing of a building. A building where a person can live, a person can transact the business. But supposing if the building is not there, Times of India building is not there, where are you sitting? He's got really angry, really angry. He said that you get lost, so I got lost. Then in 86, again, कीड़ा था ना दिमाग में, पहला कि ये होना ही चाहिए एंड मन में था कि ये इंडस्ट्री निश्चित रूप से बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है और इतनी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री के ऐसे इसके लिए कितने समय से चल रहे और कितने समय से ही चल रहे मैं आपसे नहीं पूछूँगा कितना बन गया कितना हो गया ठीक है बन गया वो ना काफ़ी बना वो जितने लोगों को मकान दे सकते हैं उतने को मकान नहीं दे पा रहे क्योंकि आपके हाथ ही बने हुए हैं किसी रूल से मेरी आपकी भी कोई मॉडल नहीं से फिर आप इसको क्लियर नहीं कर पा रहे सर वो क्या है तो मतलब कुछ समझ में पब्लिक की में नहीं आता
majority non-eligible people, non-eligible, they are opposing. उसके वजह से litigation the main policy है urgent participation कर 70% consent. Select the developer. They decide whether they want to go for redevelopment or not. एक बार voluntary एक बार आने के बाद बहुत एलिजिबल एलिजिबिलिटी के बारे में जिनको लगता है कि डेवलपमेंट की वजह से उनको घर की बजाय शायद उनको जाना पड़ेगा जगह ही छोड़ना पड़ेगा ऐसे लोग स्कीम को अपोज करते हैं लिटिगेट करते हैं और एवरेज 4-5 लिटिगेशन ऑफ वेरी हाई लेवल देयर आर वेरियस appellate authorities the round of litigation and various appellate authorities takes so much time that no but being purely voluntary coercive methods फिलहाल मुश्किल कंसेप्ट ही ऐसा है वॉलेंट्री कंसेप्ट ऑफ लीडर इस्लाम लीडर वॉलेंट्री जिस जमीन के ऊपर में मामला बने प्रोबेबली वो जमीन उनकी नहीं है पॉइंट तो ये जमीन तुम्हारी बैठे हो लेकिन अब ये डेवलप करना स्टार्ट है तो जो नॉन एलिजिबल लोग कोई
वो लोग जाके स्टे ले लेते हैं या कुछ भी लोग।
I don't know what's the law.
Actually, it's not, we cannot have any different vision than the government. Government has always been saying that slum-free Mumbai is the vision. Whether it is 2020, 1950 or 2050, slum-free Mumbai would be the vision so far as SRA is concerned. And since it involves more than 60% of Mumbai citizens, I think if that vision is achieved, probably most of Mumbai's vision is achieved. This aspect itself takes care of 50 to 60% of Mumbai's problems. Then the other things can be achieved just like that.
Thank you so much, sir. We have Mr. Pradeep Shetty from Heritage Home. Sir, I want to know about vision regarding the industry. I want to know about you have kept a problem on that association. So I want to know how you see it.
Approvals and policies. Government is going to give us a favorable policies that we can achieve. We are very positive.
Right. At present, how you see the direct market conditions?
Market conditions are okay, it's not bad. Good. Certainly it all depends on elections and incoming government, their policies. They are coming up with policies and we can decide.
Do you really think that the policy changes actually impact really actually make changes in the
Yeah, definitely, because in Mumbai it's a big problem actually. Mumbai is basically lottery redevelopment is there. In redevelopment, government is daily coming out with some other restrictive policies where we can't do much about it, and in smaller plots we can't redevelop. So the only option is that cluster development. So then it was very difficult to cluster development because you can't develop single property, single society, so many members, so many issues, you can't club together. So it's a very time.
Have a apartment, redevelopment rather to go in far off suburbs and all. So I'm very positive about redevelopment.
You have been associated with the foundation and in the past many times. I want to confirm a few words about the foundation.
See, Mr. Chaturvedi Saab, I like to salute him for this. I first of all like to congratulate him for this 20th year of celebration, and all his two sons, Ajay Chaturvedi and Sanjay, with his entire team. They are so dedicated, they are so focused, and they are giving you so much information about the entire industry, whatever is happening in each corner, and they have got a huge, good network and good database among the developers, among the consultants, and also they have got good network with the architecture team, everywhere. You just name it, and they have got ready, they have got readily available with them. And I really salute each Chaturvedi family for doing a wonderful job. And in one platform, they give you so much of information. Apart from the information, they educate also different people who want to.
So if same thing continued, I myself am not sure when I'll be able to deliver it.
So you mean to say there are a lot of policy hurdles which exist? There are many amendments also in the policy.
That's what's hampering, It cannot, because whenever they come with a policy, they're setting a Kanban, there's a new law. It cannot be, when a person has bought a property with certain framework, it cannot change.
Do you think on redevelopment, how these agencies like Mahara, SRA, how important role do they play?
They are playing a good, important role, especially both MADA and Slum SRA, slum creation. Unfortunately, it's partly in their hand. There are issues which are not fully like something that they can do about it. Because after a certain it goes to Mandal. Their hands are tied up. But then a lot of good work is being done by those people. They have been quite proactive.
So from some few words from Competition Times, which
Competition Time, in fact, it's the only newspaper, bring the result. Everything will be, create some push. Otherwise, market is going very slow. And there is scarcity of liquidity also. Globally, I think.
What do you see the redevelopment future as of now?
Redevelopment, I think, is the only, proposal that is going on in the market. Presently, title properties are hardly to be seen. Redevelopment also it is very difficult to finalize. And there they have their own problems. There are different problems. Maintenance problems is there. Lighting problem is there in the time-consuming job to finalize the redevelopment project.
Ma'am, I want to ask you, how do you see the improvements right today? There's so much in the real estate and so much in the municipal questions. What's your opinion on that?
That's too good. No woman can do anything. That is the great.
Women empowerment.
Yes, certainly. And the country is more power than the men.
So I want to ask you that comment on accommodation rights that you have succeeded in accommodation.
They are doing very well.
The industry. Apart from that, the redevelopment authorities, especially the cooperative department, they have released a new circular called 79 procedure for redevelopment, so that the builders, the legal people, the architects, the developers, and the society people as such, or the plot owners, they get a benchmark from where to start from and where to finish. So new laws are coming, and it is a very investor friendly.
What these agencies such like Mahara decided to play important role in
Yeah, they play a very good important role because, of course, there's a lot of problems in clearing the files from them. But the reality is that because of our bureaucratic structure, it's a very helpless situation for everyone.
If you was for accommodation times today, we say within 28 times.
I think I wish to congratulate Accommodation Times for such a lovely program. We have been seeing all the developers here, and this is one of the good moments which Accommodation should celebrate. And incidentally, it's a 28th award ceremony, and I was born on 28th and awarded today. So it's a very good thing for me on today. It's not my birthday, but I was born on the 20th of a month. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks.
Vision 2020 Mumbai. I think few points I have touched. 2-3 issues which are current issues I would like to touch because a couple of developers are there. One is the new regulatory bill. The Maharashtra is the first state which has come with the new regulatory bill. Central bill is still pending. As you know, it has gone to select committee and probably the new government, it will be referred to new government select committee. 2-3 important suggestions I would like to make. There is a discrimination, friends, it is made in the bill. CIDCO, MHADA, they are also developers like us, they compete with us and they have given a separate treatment. They have a red channel or green table for each and everything. Now you tell me one thing, you depend for many things on the government. For example, if you complete the building and the municipal corporation doesn't give you water line, let's presume that way, or your road connectivity is not given or electricity is not given. Now how you can hand over the possession to the consumer? So my sincere humble request to the government of Maharashtra and their Accommodation Times again for inviting me here, and I congratulate them for completing 28 successful years and entering into 29th year with many various award functions and various activities which they do. Vision 2020, which has been told to me to speak on at Mumbai. I can only say Vision 2020 means if and only if everybody wants to think about it, is we have no traffic jams, everyone is able to reach from one point to another point in maximum 45 minutes. We have absolutely nobody living in slum or dilapidated buildings. We have plenty of high rises all across the city, which creates plenty of open spaces.
But I hardly find a name from the construction industry. The industry which gives a employment to the 3 crore, more than 3 crore people, 10% of the families which are depending on this industry, the industry, infrastructure and real estate contributes more than 14 to 15% to GDP. In spite of that, this is the treatment which we are giving to this industry.